Professor. This is my Lab 4 submission. So first of all, I have the actual output. As you can see, the first option is displaying the screen visual information, which is like the fixed value, the screen visual, the screen accelerator, and the screen capabilities. And by clicking 2, entering 2, we get the X resolution, the Y resolution, and the bits per pixel. The next slide actually is the same thing, and I have also given like wrong output here. This is the log file with the wrong output. For this assignment, we are not displaying the error message directly on the screen. The error messages are actually displayed on like the error messages are displayed in the log file. So here is an example of that because I clicked 5 in the previous. Next, to check all the information is correct, I'm just the frame buffer log is the log file, and to check if everything is correct, I have entered the command sudo fbset-i, which displays all the information, which has the X resolution, Y resolution, and the bit in the geometry section over here, 1280, 832. Then in the frame buffer device information, we can get the next information which we are displaying in the option 1. Next up is the actual code. I've created a function named print error to display the error messages in the buffer to just log in into the log file. I've used this where I'll be passing the message as a C string and it will be displayed on the log file. Next, starting it, we have open all the buffer, open the files. Next is the first one. If the buffer is invalid, it's just going to show error opening it, and it's going to return the function. So the function will be stopping there with an error code of 1. Next, we have the log file. We are creating a new log file. Name the file frame buffer underscore log.txt. Then we are actually creating a new buffer or initializing it. Next step, this is the code. I have used a while loop here obviously so that it doesn't the code keeps on working unless and until the user wants it to stop. If 0 is entered, the code will stop, otherwise it will keep on running in like a loop. So the first option is for the fixed screen options. It's gonna display the screen visual, accelerator, and the capabilities. The next one is the variable matrices or the variable screen, and it's X resolution, Y resolution, and the bits per pixel. And as you can see, the print error function is working here. So I have displayed used the same function here, just the message is going to be different for both of them. Next is the edge case. If it's not equals to 0, 1 or 2, 1 or 2 are the cases which are handled here by the if and else if. And if a non-zero value is entered, then it's gonna say wrong selection, which will be displayed in the log file. So it's used by the CERR. Then next is resetting the screen buffer and cleaning up the file, closing up the files. Because we have opened up a file, we are going to close it even though it's a log file. Next is the make file. So the make file is simply compiling everything with the g++-o, and we are cleaning the buffer, the log every time, the log file every time the new function is loaded, the function is loaded again. That's it. Thank you.